Hi guys, this is Mrs. Mendy, and I'm here to show you how to use this natural selection simulator called Evolution. And you will make your own artificial creature just made out of sticks, basically. Okay, so the first thing you do is you're going to place joints down these red things, the dots, and it can bend at those points. Okay, and then you're going to connect the joints with bone. So you'll click on the bone, uh, the word bone. It's like a little tab, and then you click and drag between these. So let's click and drag, okay, to make the bones. And then you're going to connect the bones with muscles. It'll only be able to move where you put muscles, and that's how regular creatures work, is by connecting muscles to bones or shells, things like that. Okay. And we're not going to turn it to wings. I guess you can do that, but that's kind of advanced. And this is enough. Okay. And then you're going to click on the evolve button. Okay. I'm going to walk you through how to do this. Click on the question mark if you have questions for it. Okay. So here we are. It starts you out with joints. And remember, those are the dots. So I'm just going to make a simple creature. What am I going to make it look like? I don't know. I'll put a dot. It doesn't have to be realistic at all. I'm just going to make this thing. Okay, and now I'm going to make bones like this. So I'm clicking and dragging, putting the bones on here. And this is a really simple creature. Okay, the goal of your creature is to get it to move as far as possible. Okay, so I'm going to put some muscles. I'll put a muscle here, and I'll put a muscle here. Okay, very simple. Okay, now when you're ready, you can click the evolve button. And what it's going to do is it's really like a natural selection button. It's going to make a whole bunch of different creatures that are based on this with slight like mutation-y differences. You know how like every time two parents have kids, they're not all exactly the same. So you're going to have a little bit of variation among them. So evolve, click. Okay, so there's my creature. And in the fuzzy background, you can kind of see all the other creatures. So this is not going too great. Every 10 seconds, though, it's going to be a new generation. Okay, and so the algorithm, the computer, is picking the one that works the best, like that goes the farthest, and that's like the parent of the next generation. And it just goes along by itself. See that little flag there? That's like the farthest it's gone in the, I think I have it set for 5 seconds for each generation. Okay, so this is not super exciting to me. I feel like we could do better than this. Um, so I'm going to take it back. Okay, and I'm going to say like, well, it's not really moving these very well. So let's see what else could happen. You could just do anything. It doesn't have to have legs. It can be something that rolls. I don't know. But let's see. It seems like maybe it needs like something to pull the muscles the other way. Whoops. Joint, tap. Okay. And tap there. And so I'm going to put bones from here to here, doing this without my mouse. Which I can't have the microphone and the mouse connected at the same time. Why will you not? Come on, come on, come on. There it goes. Okay. And then I'm going to attach some muscles to here. Oh, a thing I didn't show you is that you can put move. Hello. Oh, I'm clicking too hard. Okay, so you're gonna click and like you can stretch these, move these parts around. You can change the orientation of the legs. Maybe I'll put these like this. Okay, moving. There we go. And I'll just make this like a little bit more something to have happen. So then, because then the muscles can't really get pulled the other way. So I'm gonna try this and see if that helps. And put one over here and see if that helps. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. So when you think that it shows promise, Then you're going to let this go, and you're going to let it go for a bunch of generations. This is still not doing anything very exciting. But you can do it how you want. If you feel like I could do better than that, sure you could. This is just me showing you how to work it. Okay. But let it go for like at least 20 generations for one design. And I'll have you make a couple of designs in the assignment just to see if you can make it different and make like really different weird stuff. Okay, it doesn't have to look like an animal. I'm biased, so I just made it kind of look more like an animal, but it doesn't. It could just be a random shape, put the muscles around wherever, and like this is annoying me that it's not doing anything fun. So I'm going to put another muscle. Try just weird stuff because the thing that is good about this is that it will show. Oh, I'll put a muscle from here to here. What is that going to do? I don't know. Um, but it will get better no matter what. It'll get better over time. Okay, that's kind of wiggling more. I kind of like that more. Okay, so when you do this, you're going to watch the generations. Notice the generations are up here and then see how it goes. The other thing you're going to notice is like where this little flag is and see, oh, there's the 5. See, it's doing better. So that's like 5 feet or 5 meters or whatever it is. And so you're going to find out when it's doing better. Like what, pay attention to that so you know when it's doing better because I'll ask you, how far did this one get? Okay, that's it. Try it. It's kind of fun. It's kind of weird. Mess around. You can't really do it wrong unless nothing happens. Like if it doesn't change, then it just doesn't have enough stuff on it to be able to change. Okay, that's it. And I will talk to you later. Bye.